Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Check that the phone has enough battery and that any dongle or cable fits the port. Once done, enable Bluetooth or plug the adapter so the phone detects external audio. Make sure apps using audio are closed to avoid conflicts. Now, put the speaker or headset into pairing or input mode and tap the device name in Settings. This establishes the initial link and tells the phone where to send audio. Once paired or plugged in, you choose the output explicitly. Open Audio Routing or Control Center and pick the device so media follows that path. For wired connections, verify the TRRS wiring or use a TRS versus TRRS adapter because mismatches kill mic or sound. If using USB-C or Lightning, allow any permission prompts so digital audio can stream. Also adjust codec or quality settings when available to reduce dropouts. Then finish by testing with music, a voice memo, and a call to ensure both playback and mic work. This reveals latency or level issues so you can tweak equalizer or gain. Make the connected device the default if the phone offers that option, and reboot both devices to cement settings. If you still hear nothing, the quickest fix is to toggle Bluetooth or replug the cable, check app microphone permissions, and try another app. This single troubleshooting step solves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.